friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or a caregiver. We're making egg carton flowers. To complete this craft, you will need a paper egg carton, craft paint, a paintbrush, assorted beads, an empty cereal box, green construction paper, scissors, a pencil, a glue stick, a hole punch, some string, and a hot glue gun. Here's what you'll do. First, with the help of an adult, cut the egg carton into individual sections. With each section, cut 2/3 of the way down the sides in 4 spots to make petals. Then fold the petals down. Now it's time to paint. Paint each flower in your chosen colors and set aside to dry. While the flowers dry, it is time to make the flower base. Take the cereal box and cut out the shape of the base you would like. Then, trace this shape onto green construction paper. Cut the construction paper to the right size and glue it to the cereal box shape using your glue stick. With the help of an adult, heat up a glue gun. Have an adult put a drop of glue into the center of each flower and you can drop the beads on top. Poke holes into the top of your base and tie the string through the holes so you can hang your flowers for all to see. Arrange your flowers onto your base and ask an adult to attach them using the glue gun. Ta-da! Here are the finished egg carton flowers. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!